tutorial is about making wikis for classroom use. A wiki is a collaborative, interactive document that students or teachers can put together to record information. Think like Wikipedia is an most famous example of a wiki. It has articles. People from all over the world can come in and edit it. And collaboratively, we can come up with a lot bigger projects than we could on our own. So Moodle has a tool on it that we can use to create wikis, and it works well enough for most of the things that we might do. This right here on the screen is my English 12 page. It needs cleaned up a little bit, but I'm going to use it to show you some completed wikis and how you could set one up for your own class. First of all, here's an assignment that we did earlier in the year. It's a little ways down, using wikis. And the way I had it set up was that there were 4 groups per class, and each group and each class had their own wiki. So here's an example of one. When you open it up, there's a table of contents with all the different pages that they had. This particular page is on the Celts, and you can see a few of the things that you can do here. They have links to outside websites that help them create and find the information they used. They also have links to other pages in their presentation. So these are the kind of things you can create using a wiki. So here's how we might set one up. I've got a blank page, blank topic set up that we can play with here. So here we go, topic 5. I moved this up from the bottom just so we'd have a place to go. First thing I would do is change the title here from topic 5 to something like sample wiki. You can put a summary in. It's not too vital. We'll save that and go back down to our topic. All right, we're going to add an activity or resource. And the best way to do this is just to add the wiki in, and then we can make some changes later. So we'll add, call the wiki name wiki example, wiki description, wiki for showing how to use wikis. All right. First thing you're going to do here is put here the name of the first page. So we'll just call this first page for our sample. I want a collaborative wiki. I want HTML. I'm going to force the format just because that makes it so that the students have less options. There are less things that they can deal with. I'm going to click No Groups. That just cleans up some things for me. Usually these are group projects, but I'll assign the groups. I'm not going to use Moodle to assign the groups for this particular project, so no groups tends to work better for me. Then if I save and return to course, I have my wiki right here. So I can click on it, and it gives me the first page here. So I've got the box. This is the same box that you get for editing in most Moodle uses. Over here, the box, I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger, and adjust the size. And I've got a few options here for different things. We'll use a few of them in this. So I might start my page by calling it table of contents. And then I need to put the pages on. It's one of the first things your students are going to want to do. Create all the pages that populates the pages so that students can then go in and work on the individual parts of their wiki. So to create a page, I use double brackets, and then I name the page really cool page And then maybe I have another one that I create called not as cool page. And then maybe a third called somewhat cool page. Alright, and then I have these on my page, and then I can go down here. I can preview it first, just to see if it looks like what I want it to look like. Yeah, that's about right. They're red because there's nothing actually on those pages. When I add content later, these links will turn green and they won't be red anymore. So we'll click Save, and we have our pages. So to edit one of these pages, I'll just click on it, and it automatically sends me to the edit page. Once I'm here, I can add a few things. First thing I might do is add a heading back to my first page. So if remember right, first page is called first page. So this will help me get back to my table of contents. Doesn't let you paste, so you have to click Control V, push Control V, and that created a link back to my first page. If I save that, now this will go back here, and I go from there to here. See how that turned green now? Go back to Edit. The other thing I can do is add links to outside websites. So to do that, I would add this is a really great link. Then I would highlight the words that I want to link, and then this menu shows up, and so I can click Link. Alright, now I need to copy a URL. So here's a really great website on Lifetime making the unauthorized Full House tell-all movie. I can copy and then paste that into that window, and then insert, and now that link is right there. When I click Save, it'll be a live link that takes me to the outside source. The other options I have here, so I have the view and the edit. It gives me the box. There's a comment section, so people could write about ideas they have about the pages. History section, this is really useful if you have mistakes that are made along the way and you need to go back to a previous version of the wiki. All the versions of the wiki are saved in the history. The map shows the layout. We only have 2 pages that we've put information on, so they're right there. Files or anything that I've added, we haven't added anything to this one, so we don't have to worry about that. And then administration, and if I need to remove some pages or get rid of things, I can do that here. So that's it. With those few tools, you should be able to create wikis and teach students how to do it, and students can be able to create some pretty cool things. They can insert images, video, charts. You have different options here to help you create great, exciting wikis. So thanks.